Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use multi-level sorting in Excel. Right, so to use this multi-level sorting, let me first discuss what we're going to do. So what I'm going to do, I want to sort this brand. I want to sort it alphabetically in ascending order, and then probably sort this in descending order or whichever way we deem fit. And then I'm going to be using some customized sorting as well together with this, so that we are able to understand what we need to do. Well, there are various reasons why you want to do multi-level sorting, just probably to provide clarity on some of the analysis you are doing, or to give you some accuracy regarding some data or something. So it could be one reason or the other depending on what you want. So it's a good skills to have, right? So how do you use multi-level sorting? So go to your home tab, then go to under editing, right? So I want you to click on sorting and filter, right? Then I want you to go to custom sorting, right? So this is, you have this box that will pop up, right? So what we want to do here, okay, we want to sort, and this is going to tell us sort by what, and then on what values or what, or set color or font color, right, or conditional icons, right? And then how do you want it to be sort? Is it from A to Z or from Z to A? So ascending order and then descending order, and also custom list. So I will show you how all this works. So the first thing I'm going to do, right, so I'm going to sort by brand. So by brand, okay, so I want to sort by brand, and I want to sort by values. So what we have here is values. So I'm not going to sort by colors or font colors. I'm going to show you how to use colors and then all this later on, but let's stick to cell values, right? So how do I want to sort? Is it alphabetically, right, from A to Z? Okay, so let's do A to Z, right? Then I will click OK. Then I will show you how to add multi-level, right? Okay, so this is sorting from A to Z, right? So the first brand that we have is Apple, then followed by Dell, okay, then followed by HP, then down to, okay, so just three brands. So we have Apple, Dell, and HP, right? Okay, so if that's the case now, what do we want to do now? So we want to know Apple, what, so I want to know, okay, I want to arrange this by phone, then I want it by desktop, then I want this to be by notes, and then by tablet. So let's say I want to sort this in order of importance, right? So what I want to do is go back to tab, right? Then go to sorting, then go to custom sorting, right? Right. So the shortcut for that is Alt H as U, right? So let's try it. Alt, okay, H S U, then that will give you this. So Alt H S U, right? That is a shortcut to access this. Alright, so again, so you put your console here and say, okay, I want another level, so add another level, and that level will come at the bottom, right? So this is sort by, this is the first sorting. Then again, this will give you by what, then what. So I want to sort by devices, right? So that is the name of the tab. Again, I want to sort by values, right? So how do you want this to be sort? I don't want ascending order or descending order. So I want to sort based on what I want to see first. I want to see the sales. I want to see by phone, okay? Then I want to see by tablet. Then I want to see by notebook. Then I want to see by desktop, right? So I'm going to say custom list, okay? And if you come down here, so I've added some of my list here, but again, I'm going to show you how to add this list too. So click on new list, and again, you can type how you want this to be arranged. So you can say I want this by phone, okay? I want this by notebook, right? So by notebook, right? Then you can continue to type, right? So in my own case, I have something that I put here, so I'm going to copy what I have here. Again, I'm going to paste it here, right? So I want phone book first, then I want so I want tablet before notebook, So then comma, then I want notebook, right, on desktop. Then I'm going to click on add, right, so this way I arrange this way, and it'll be showing on the list. Then I will click OK, right. So now if you click OK, so what you will see now is that we have phone first. So we have this, right, as the first thing, right. Then we have phone, okay, which is coming first. Again, I'm going to use another color. Now I want to sort by country. So I want to see the number of sales made in the country alphabetically first. So which means the first country will come first, which is probably China or so. So I'm going to click Alt H S U to access my multi level, right? Again, then I'm going to click on this to say I want to add another level after this, after devices. So click on this again. I want it to sort by country, and I want this country to be from A to Z, right? Again, so what do I have? So I have China first, okay? So because I'm sorting in alphabetically order, so let's use another color, okay? Something light. Again, so I want to sort by region. So after China, I want to sort by region in China and again, or in each of these countries. So we have China, Germany, Japan, Nigeria, UK, China. Okay, so what this is, let me explain this. So this is Apple, right? So everything about Apple will be listed first, okay? Then everything about phone will be listed first, second, right? So now you have tablet, right? So then again, China. So what we have here, you have tablet again as a second, okay? So we have tablet here, which is giving us, let's use another color, okay? Now, so the first country under tablet, so we're going to finish with tablet. After finishing with phone, then it will go back again and start arranging in the alphabetical order again for tablet. So China will come first, Germany will come first, and then and so on and so forth. And again, so this is the first level. After this first level is done, then we go to this level. After this first level is done, then it's going to go back to this level again, following within this order. So it's like then we come back to region again and say we want to sort by region, HSU, okay, and then I want you to sort by region, okay. So I want region to be in alphabetical order as well, okay, right. So I'm going to have China, then I'm having Northeast. So ultimately this is saying that okay, so again I want to see the number of sales coming from Northeast, and then I want the number of guys that sell the most in Northeast to be arranged in alphabetical order again. So I'm going to use Alt HSU to access the shortcut. Then again click on tab, add level. Then I'm going to sort by sales rep, okay. And again, so we have this, right. So what this has done for us is that so we have Jessica here, right? Okay, so what this has done is that, so we have brand by Apple, okay, so see the way you have sorted. Then we have from phone, okay, then we have China, then we have North region, and we have Jessica, right? So what this has done, break it down to say, okay, so who is the sales representative in China, then selling Apple products, you know, or phone or something. Then so this is Apple brand, then phone devices, and then China, Northeast, sales rep. So we have a sales rep in Northeast of China that sells phone, which is Apple product, which is Jessica Doe. So that is how you use multi-level sorting. So most times I don't use this often, but you never can tell when this will come handy for you. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this would be a good time to subscribe. Please click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.